This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 76. How rhythm restores motivation without force. Motivation is often treated like something you must summon. Push, decide, commit harder. But biologically, motivation is not summoned. It emerges. Pressure tries to create motivation through urgency. Rhythm creates it through safety. Rhythm tells the nervous system, this happens again. There is no surprise. There is no threat. Predictability reduces load. When the body does not need to scan for danger, energy becomes available. Not as excitement at first, but as willingness. This is the crucial distinction. Motivation does not begin as desire, it begins as tolerance. I can do this again. I don't need to brace. I won't be punished if I slow down. Rhythm builds trust. Small actions, repeating windows, clear starts, clear stops, no forcing, no emotional leverage. Over time, dopamine starts responding again, not to pressure, but to continuity. This is why rhythm outlasts discipline. Discipline asks, can you push today? Rhythm asks, can this exist safely tomorrow? Motivation returns when effort no longer signals danger. Rhythm restores motivation by making movement safe. Next episode. Why rest is not the opposite of progress. Thank you.